Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is day 7 of daily yoga series for beginners for next 30 days. So in this video, we are going to learn about pranayama and meditation. Before going to pranayama and meditation, in last 6 classes, we have discussed about basic movements and exercises and some asanas, and we also learned Surya Namaskara. This video is completely about pranayama and meditation. Okay. Now from this position, first sit in Sukhasana or Padmasana. I am comfortable in Padmasana. I'll sit in Padmasana. Okay. If you are comfortable in Padmasana, you can sit in Padmasana or else sit in Sukhasana. Keep your backbone straight. Keep your hands straight. Close your eyes. Join your both the hands to chest level. Keep your hands straight. Take deep breath in. Deep breath out. Take deep breath in. Deep breath out. Take deep breath in. Breathe out and Omkara. Rub your both the hands. Place your both the hands on your eyes. Slowly hands down. Release your hands. Okay. Before going to start pranayama, there are few rules we need to follow while doing pranayama. Always, before doing pranayama, one thing you should remember, you should not do pranayama after having your breakfast, lunch or dinner or after any meal. That is the point number 1. And second thing, after rigorous practice of exercise or after proper practice of exercise, should leave at least half an hour gap in order to practice pranayama. So, when you are practicing asanas daily, don't do pranayama immediately after the asanas. Just give a little bit time gap between your asanas and pranayama. And one more thing, if you will do pranayama in the empty stomach, it will benefit more than what the usually get. Okay. So basically pranayama can be done early morning. Pranayama can be done in the early morning in empty stomach. If you do that in the if you do the pranayama in empty stomach, it will help us to boost our breathing capacity and also improve our balances of the chakras and also stabilize energies. Again, first I'll try to sit in Sukhasana. But sit in Padmasana, any asanas, whichever feel comfortable. So that keep your backbone straight. Now hold Mugi Mudra in your right hand. Try to open your single hand, right hand. Now bend your middle finger and your index finger. Keep your ring finger, little finger and thumb finger. Okay. From this position, and another thing, hold Chin Mudra in your left hand. Okay. This is the position. Today we are going to learn Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Okay. Today we are going to learn Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. How to do Nadi Shodhana Pranayama? Nadi Shodhana Pranayama is the basic pranayama which helps us to cleanse our nostrils. Okay. Now keep your backbone straight. Keep your head straight. Now with your thumb, close your left nostril. If you want, you can keep it like this or you can keep it from the bottom. If you are unable to hold Mugi Mudra, just keep your both the hands straight. Just bend your ring finger and little finger forward and thumb finger forward. You can do this. If you are able to do, hold Mudra. If you do with the Mudra, you'll be having more benefits from this. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Now take deep breath in through the left side. Now close it. Now breathe out through the right nostril. Once again, take breath in. Close it. Open to the left side. Breathe out. This is one round of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. This we will do it for the 11 times. Okay. Now keep your backbone straight. Hold Chin Mudra properly in your left hand. Hold Mugi Mudra in your right hand. Now we'll start. Close your Right nostril. Here. Right thumb. Take breath in through the left side. Close. Open your right side. Breathe out. Now breathe in through the right. Close your right side. Open your left side. Breathe out. Take breath in. Close it. Breathe out through right side. Breathe in through right side. Close it. Breathe out through left side. Breathe in through left. Close. Breathe out through right. Breathe in. Breathe out through left. Breathe in through left. Breathe out through right. Breathe in through right. Breathe out through left. Breathe in through left. Breathe out through right. Breathe in through right. Breathe out through left. Breathe in through left. Breathe out through right. Breathe in. Breathe out through left. Breathe in. Breathe out through right. Breathe in through right. Breathe out through left. Breathe in left. Breathe out through right. Breathe in through right. Breathe out through left. Breathe in through left. Breathe out through right. Breathe in through right. Breathe out through left. Breathe in. Breathe out through right. Breathe in through right. Breathe out through left. Now last round, take deep breath in slowly. To your right side. Breathe out to left side deeply. So again, take deep breath in. The right side. Open your left side. Deeply breathe out. Slowly take your hand back. Release your moving. Not open your eyes. Okay. Now we'll learn. Once again, give the right hand. Now this time we are doing yoga asana. Yes, we call right nostril as Surya and left nostril as Chandra. We'll start with the right side. Okay. First, close your left nostrils with your middle finger, with your right finger and thumb finger. Take breath in to right. Breathe out to the right. See? The Surya Anuloma Viloma. Hold it. Start 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. Breathe out. 5. Breathe in. Breathe out. 6. Breathe in. Breathe out. 7. Breathe in. Breathe out. 8. Breathe in. Breathe out. 9. Breathe in. Breathe out. 10. 8. Breathe out. 11. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now, Surya Anuloma Viloma. Chandra Anuloma Vilam Pranayama. Okay. Surya is nothing but sun and Chandra is nothing but. Okay, now close your right now still. Now we'll do it for the left side because should balance both the side. Was it? So take deep breath in through left nostril. Breathe out. Breathe out. Start 2. Breathe out. 3. Breathe in. Breathe out. 4. Breathe in. Breathe out. 5. Breathe in. Breathe out. 6. Breathe in. Breathe out. 7. Breathe in. Breathe out. 8. Breathe in. Breathe out. 9. Breathe in. Breathe out. 10. Breathe in. Breathe out. 11. Breathe in. Breathe out. In this class, we have learned about the Surya Anuloma Viloma, Chandra Anuloma Viloma Pranayama, about Nadishwadana Pranayama. First we learn Nadishwadana, then last we'll end up with meditation. Okay. Till these classes, we have learned, we have did meditation for a minute. Okay, in this video, we are going to turn different variation of meditation. Keep your backbone straight, keep your body straight, look forward. If you want, you can sit in Padmasana or sit in normal sitting position, Sukhasana. After this, try to hold Chin Mudra in your both the hands, keep your backbone straight. Okay. So basically, everyone will not get proper concentration on themselves when we start meditation. In order to bring your concentration back to yourself, we will start with the basic meditation practice called A, U. That is A, U, M, Aum. Aum, we will chant continuously. Okay. Keep your backbone straight. Close your eyes. Keep your backbone straight. Body straight. The mudra in your hands properly. Start. Take deep breath in. Breathe out. First, we'll start with Akara, Ukara, Makara. There are 3 chantings. A, U, Ma. Okay, we'll chant this simultaneously. First, we'll start with A. Later, we'll go back to U. Last, we'll end up with Start. Take breathe in. Breathe out in Akara. Again, take deep breath in. Breathe out and Ukara. Now take breath in. Breathe out and Makara. Like this, we'll do meditation. Okay, we'll do it for the 5 chantings. Your hands straight, keep your backbone straight, close your eyes. Start. Take breath in. Breathe out and Akara. Take breath in. Bring out and Ukara. Once again, take deep breath in, breathe out in Makara. Once again, take deep breath in, breathe out in Agara. Again, take deep breath in. Take deep breath in, Makara. Whenever you're doing this try to concentrate on vocal. Take breath in, breathe out at Kara. Take breath in, breathe out and Kara. Again, take breath in, breathe out and Kara. Take breath in, breathe out and Kara. Take breath in, breathe out and Sukara. Makara. Last time we'll do. Take deep breath in, breathe out and Akara. Take it in, Makara. The more times the fast, take your more that the eyes. Slowly release your hands down, touch your body down, go to the ground. Slowly come back, touch your eyes. Next we'll continue. Class. Thank you for watching.